And we're action. What's up, folks? J-Bo one time, aka one time. If you're too lazy, just say one time. Let's get all the advertisement out the way. Like, share, subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, help your boy make some loot. But back to the unboxing of this Rig 7000. This is my old headset. Had it for about 4 to 5 years. Loved it. Favorite headset, wireless. All you do is plug this bad boy into your Xbox or your computer or laptop. Actually has a toggle button where you can go from PC to game console. Rig 700 lasted me almost 5 years, no issues. But this past year, the left headset started going out on me, so it was time to find a new one. And I spent countless hours and days trying to find a headset that I would love. And I went on Amazon. What do you know? She was found. She was found, guys. Ta-da! It's a whole different color. I thought it would be gold. I hope it's gold. This one actually had no color. It was just plain. Let's get that out of the way. Now, back to this Rig 700, baby. 12-hour life battery. I love them. I love them. And I'm gonna tell you every feature why I absolutely love these bad boys. You can rip the mic out if you just don't want to talk. You can press the mute button. Let's take a look. Come on, baby. Be gold. Be gold. Ooh. It's not quite gold, but it's rose gold. Let's go. Let's go. I'm excited. I am excited. And I got this for about $34. It was on sale for some reason. They usually probably go for $45. But I got it for $35, no more, no less. And this is actually what it looks like. It has a nice rose gold or maybe bronze color to it. Man, I'm in love, guys. So my favorite feature about this is the quick access to the mute button right there. Actually, mute button's right there. And then you can also control your volume settings, game settings, and the chat settings. So if you're in a rage and someone's just cussing you out and you're in a back and forth with this person, you can turn down the volume settings to where you don't even have to hear them. You can just go on a rant. You can just say whatever you want to say and don't have to even hear what he has to say. It's the best smack talking headphone out there, okay? And a new and improved plug-in, guys. I love it. You see the difference between the older one? It was actually this thing with this long cord that you had to plug in and, toggle your settings if you're plugged into your computer or console, but I love this. Looks like a little USB chip. I'm loving it. I'm loving it, guys. Beautiful. You just pop that bad boy in there. I'm not sure how this function works right here, but I guess it doesn't matter. You don't have to toggle with the computer or gaming. Just plug it in, press that, and you sync your headphones. Easy as that, baby. Let's go. Comes with a very long charger cord. Looks nice, looks nice, looks nice. I'm digging it. Got some length to it. Let's check her out. Nice little length to it. I'm digging that for sure. And you can charge your headset while you're playing the game. So that's always good too. Quick insert, really quick. These headphones are also adjustable. I forgot to add that in the video. You just easily pop them out. You have 1, 2, and 3 spots where you can choose to put your headphones. Really easy. Just pick what's best size for you and you're ready to roll, baby. Now back to the video. Let's check out the mic. Nice, beautiful mic right there. There we go, baby. It's gonna be a lot of curse words coming out of this mic. Don't curse, kids. Don't curse until you're 18. But yeah, you just take that, plug the mic in there, and you are rolling, baby, rolling. Completely wireless. And when I tell you, these cushions on here are so soft. You can like look at it. It's like leather on the outside with actually a cloth material on the inner side. It's just so perfect, so comfortable, squishy, soft. Extra padding up here for your head for those long 6 to 10 hour gaming nights where you're just trying to get a good stream in, good content. And I love it, guys. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Has everything I need. And you actually, to charge it, you plug in the USB right there. It's the old school USBs, not the C. Just plug that bad boy in, charge it overnight. I suggest right when you get your headphone, charge it so your max battery life will be even longer. And I just love it, guys. It's very beautiful design. Everything you need. Mute, toggle from max game chat or max game only volume. And there's your volume buttons. We're up and rolling, guys. I can't wait to use it. Check out my streams on Twitch and Kick. I'm Twitch affiliate and Kick affiliate. J-Bo, one time, baby. Hope you enjoyed the content. Subscribe. And I suggest you go get a Rig 700. You will not be disappointed. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Beautiful headset, beautiful design, easy to use. And we're out, baby. Let's go.